students, myself Dr. Bharati Patil. Today we are going to start our chapter named Number Systems and Logic Gates. In that, first we will try to cover number system first, and afterwards we will see what are the logic gates and the types of logic gates which are present in electronics. When we consider electronics, then we are dealing with two types of electronics, that is analog electronics and digital electronics. In case of analog electronics, we are dealing with the entities which are changing continuously. But in case of digital systems, we are dealing with the entities or the systems which are changing discretely, means they are changing in steps. So in order to perform the logical operations or the arithmetic operations in digital systems, we are in need of number systems. Since our school days, we are using the number system which consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these digits. It means that we are dealing with the decimal number system. So, like decimal number systems, there are other number systems also, such as octal number system, binary number system, and hexadecimal number system. All these number systems are very much useful in the logical operations and for the applications such as in digital computers. So there is a necessity to learn these number systems. So one by one we will try to learn these number systems, and initially we will start our chapter by understanding what is digital number system. That is decimal number system. We will start our chapter with decimal number system. Just now in our introduction, I have mentioned you that since our childhood or since our school days, we are learning the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all these are the 10 digits. Each number is called as digit. All these numbers are called as digits and each number is called as digit. So we are dealing with these digits, and these digits are 10 in number. These are 10 in number. So the base or the radix of this number system is 10. Base or radix of decimal number system becomes 10. So we are dealing with decimal number system. It consists of 10 digits, and hence the base or radix of decimal number systems comes out as 10. Also, this number system, with the help of these 10 digits, one can write down any number. It may be an integer number, it may be a fraction number, or it may be a mixed number consisting of integer and fraction. So, when I wish to express a decimal number system, I will take a number system which is of mixed type, and it consists of n plus 1 digits. I have considered a number system which consists of n plus 1 digits. Number system or a number. I have considered a proper word is number. I have considered a number which is of mixed type and it consists of n plus 1 digits in its integer part. Integer part. And it consists of k digits in its fraction part. So I have considered a number which consists of n plus 1 digits in its integer part and k digits in its fraction part. Then how to represent this number? So a generalized presentation of such number will form by giving a decimal point. This point which separates the integer part from fraction part is called as decimal point. It consists of a decimal point. So, integer dot means a decimal point and fraction will give us number. Now, what I have considered? I have to write down a number system which consists of n plus 1 digits in integer part and k digits in its fraction part. So I can write this system as dn into dn minus 1 dn minus 2 dot dot dot. After that d1 d2 d0. Like that I can express the integer part of this decimal number system. Then I have to separate it with decimal point because this number system consists of fractional part also and it consists of k digits in its fraction. So towards right I can write down d minus 1 d minus 2 and such that I have to continue till minus k digits. So this will give me a decimal number. So decimal number with integer and fractional part is expressed in this way, that is it is a decimal point. Then from decimal point if we move towards the left, if from these decimal points if we move towards the left, then the value of each digit, value of this is a digit but its value is different, so value of each digit will be found out by multiplying that digit with its column value, or it is also called as place value, or it is called as weight value. So, in order to find the value of this number, I have to consider the digits towards the left of decimal point and digit towards the right of decimal point. If I am dealing with this D0 digit, then in order to find its value, that is, it is situated in unit place. So, I have to multiply it with its column value or the weight value. And what will be the weight value? So the rule is that as we move from decimal point towards left, then as its base is 10, so its value comes out as 10 raised to 0. So weight of this digit is 10 raised to 0. In order to find the weight of this digit, I have to multiply 10 raised to 1. In order to find its value, I have to multiply this digit with 10 raised to 2. It means that as I move towards the left of decimal point, then value of each digit will be increased in the multiples of 10. And again, if I move from decimal point towards right, then I have to multiply the first digit by 10 raised to minus 1, then second digit by 10 raised to minus 2, etc. So this is the basic thing that one has to remember. That is, from decimal point, if we are moving towards left, then I have to multiply each digit with 10 raised to 0. Then next, towards left, I have to multiply with 10 raised to 1, again 10 raised to 2, so on. And if I am moving from decimal point towards right, then I have to multiply the first digit which is towards right by 10 raised to minus 1. Suppose there is next digit which align right to it, I have to multiply it with 10 raised to minus 2. It means that when I multiply this digit with 10 raised to 0, when I multiply this digit with 10 raised to 0, it means that we know that 10 raised to 0 or anything raised to 0 means 1. So, I am multiplying this digit with 1. Then next, I am multiplying with 10 raised to 1, means I have to multiply it with 10. 10 raised to 2 means I have to multiply this digit with 10, 100. Like that, if I move towards right, then I have to multiply this digit, that is d minus 1 digit, with 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to minus 1 means 1 by 10. 10 raised to minus 2 means 1 upon 100. 10 raised to minus 3 means 1 upon 1000, and so on. So, this is related to decimal number system. So, we have considered a mixed number and we have given a decimal point. We know that it consists of 10 symbols and hence its base comes out as 10. Then these 10 symbols are 0 to 9, total 10 symbols. Then I have to multiply. In order to find the value of each digit, I have to multiply it with 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2 as I move towards left from decimal point, and as I move towards right from decimal point, it will give us negative values. I have to multiply with 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3, and so on. And this will give me a value of decimal number system. So let's find the value. So in this case, in order to find its value, I have to multiply with 10 raised to n plus. It means that value of this number is found out by addition of product of digit with its weight value. It is nothing but addition of product of each digit with its weight value. So let's find into 10 raised to n minus 1 plus d n minus 2 into 10 raised to n minus 2. Like that I have to add the things. Then d1 into 10 raised to 1 plus d2 into 10 raised to 2. Here 1 2 0, here 1 should be there, here 2 should be there. 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, here 2, then here 1 and d0. d0 means d0 into 10 raised to 0. Let's check if there is any mistake. 10 raised to 0, then 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2. It means that as we move towards the left, the raised to power of 10 should increase, such as 10 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then after that I have to give decimal point. Instead of decimal point, in order to find its value, I have to give a plus sign. After that, d minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 1, and after that plus d minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Like that I have to continue till d minus k into 10 raised to minus k. So in this way one can find out the decimal number system and the value of the decimal number and the value of decimal number by using this decimal number system. It means that I have to concentrate on these 9 digits from 0 to 9, total 10. So its radix is or base is 10. Decimal point is important. As I move towards left, 10 to the power will go on increasing like this, and as I move towards the right, then I have to multiply with 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2 and 10 raised to minus 3 in order to find out the value of given decimal number. So here we have deal with the decimal number system, and in our next lecture we will see what is the binary number system. Let's consider actual example of decimal number system. Here I have written one number. Its value is 5361.284. Then we know that it is a mixed number, mixed decimal number. It consists of a decimal point, this is integer part, this is fraction part. Now I have to find out its value. Then how to find its value? In order to find its value, decimal point plays an important role. As I have told you that as we move towards the left from the decimal point, the weight value of each digit will increase in multiples of 10 and it is positive. So, in order to find its value, I have to multiply this digit which is located in unit place by 10 raised to 0. Then this digit by 10 raised to 1. This digit by 10 raised to 2. And this digit by 10 raised to 3. Also, as I move towards the right, then they will have negative values. So I have to multiply these two with 10 raised to minus 1. Here we have selected 10 because there are 10 symbols and its base is 10. So 10 raised to minus 1. Then to this 8 digit I have to multiply with 10 raised to minus 2. And to this 4 digit 4 I have to multiply it with 10 raised to 3 in order to find its actual value. So let's find the value. In order to find its value, means 5 into 10 raised to 3 plus, because it is nothing but the addition of product of each digit into its weight value. Here weight value is 10 raised to 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1 into 10 raised to 0. Now here is decimal point, but we want to find actual value, so we have to put plus sign. Now in fraction region, I have to multiply 2 with 10 raised to minus 1. Then add the number. I have to multiply 8 with 10 raised to minus 2 plus I have to multiply 4 with 10 raised to minus 3. So this can also be written by 5 into 10 raised to 3, or 5 into 10 raised to 3 means I have to multiply this with 1000 plus 3 into 10 raised to 2 means I have to multiply it with 100. 6 into 10 raised to 1 means I have to multiply it with 10 plus 1 into 10 raised to 0. 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 means 1 upon 10 plus 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 means 1 upon 100 plus 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 means 4 into 1 upon 1000. Like that, one can write this step first or this step first and represent the given number in decimal number systems. So check, I have taken one number, then decimal point towards right, multiples of 10 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here negative numbers 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3. I have to multiply each digit towards the right. Then I will get such type of presentation of given decimal number. Thank you.